Hi, this is Erica with Crafts Direct, and we are gearing up for camping season. So I want to show you a fun and easy craft to bring along with to your camper. So you are going to be making a glowing campfire, which is super fun. You get to color popsicle sticks. You can use those to create this really fun project with a light. You get to make your own bonfire and pretend to roast your marshmallows over the fire. So it's sure to keep your kids entertained for quite a while, and you get to eat yummy marshmallows too. So let me show you how to make this.
To start out, we are going to grab 8 of our popsicle sticks and our Quick Sticks solid tempera paint and color our sticks brown. So you're just going to do the tops of the 8 popsicle sticks until they're all brown. These are going to be the sticks that are on the bottom of our fire that we're building. If you've never used the Quick Sticks solid tempera paint, I just want to show you how fun they are. They are so colorful, they dry really fast, and they can be used on lots of different surfaces. So it's the perfect thing to bring with when you're camping for your kids to play with. Next, we are going to take our red, orange, and yellow crepe paper and cut them into squares. You could also use tissue paper for this. Once you've got quite a few squares cut from your crepe paper, you will take your permanent glue dots and a pencil, and you're going to start assembling your fire. So you'll pull a glue dot from the container, place it on your cup, remove the backing, grab a piece of crepe paper, wrap it around the end of a pencil, and then stick it onto your cup. And you'll do this until your entire cup is full. Once you've got your entire cup covered in flames, then you get to start assembling your fire. So you'll take those brown popsicle sticks, lay them out like you would a bonfire. Then you'll take your battery-operated tea light, turn it on, place it in the center of the popsicle sticks, and then you get to put your cup full of fire on the top, invite some friends over, and you can pretend to roast some marshmallows.
You can find all the supplies to make this project at craftsdirect.com and go to the Projects tab.